Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by focusing on high-frequency vocabulary and the smallest reliable grammar patterns. This gives you usable building blocks immediately. Start with 1,000 common words and core verbs, and practice forming simple subject-verb-object sentences. Once done, add short drills of 10-15 minutes, flashcards, repeating aloud, and quick written sentences. Make sure to include articles and common prepositions early, because they shape meaning. This first step delivers immediate communicative ability you can build on. You now expand from short sentences to connected phrases and clauses, which is where clarity grows. Practice linking ideas with connectors and phrasal verbs and apply them in spoken answers. Once done with simple drills, add 2 3-minute listening clips and shadow the speaker to match rhythm and intonation. This reinforces real usage. Make sure to get feedback, self-correct, or use a partner, so errors don't fossilize, because targeted correction accelerates progress at this stage. You finish by producing sustained language. Write short 150-200 word texts and record 3-minute spoken pieces to measure fluency and accuracy. Review mistakes using frequency lists or corpus examples to refine collocations and natural phrasing. Once done, practice weak areas with targeted drills and contrastive pairs to reduce interference. If things go wrong, slow down, pinpoint the recurring error, and drill that pattern with small, frequent repetitions. This troubleshooting step prevents minor issues from becoming long-term habits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.